Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn Notion 3.0 agents explain mind-blowing use cases with AI. Imagine if you had a tool that could act as your second brain, seamlessly planning, organizing, and executing tasks across your entire workflow. This is the promise of Notion 3.0, a revolutionary upgrade that's transforming how businesses and individuals approach productivity. With the introduction of AI agents, Notion 3.0 isn't just an update, it's a game changer. These agents can plan, write, and organize your workflow in ways never before possible, offering the potential to revolutionize your daily operations. Let's dive into some compelling use cases that illustrate just how powerful Notion 3.0 can be. Creating a database with AI in our first example. Let's consider how you can create a comprehensive database just by chatting with Notion's AI. Imagine needing a content calendar for your YouTube videos and email newsletters. With Notion, all you have to do is instruct the AI. It pulls information from various sources within your Notion setup and creates a unified content calendar with different tables for YouTube and newsletters. This feature is invaluable for content creators who manage multiple streams of content and need to keep everything organized without the hassle of manual input. Personalizing your AI. One of the standout features of Notion 3.0 is the ability to personalize your AI. This isn't just about naming your AI. It's about customizing its behavior to suit your specific workflow. By providing custom instructions, you can shape how the AI interacts with your data and tasks. This is like having a personal assistant that knows your preferences and adapts accordingly. For instance, you can set it up to remember key business information or tailor its responses to fit your communication style. This level of personalization sets Notion apart from other platforms and can significantly enhance your productivity. Meeting notes and action plans. If meetings are a regular part of your workflow, you'll appreciate the ability of Notion 3.0 to transform meeting notes into actionable plans. By simply instructing the AI, it can extract action items from your notes, assign them to team members, and set due dates. This not only saves you time, but ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. It's a fantastic tool for project managers and teams looking to streamline their meeting follow-ups. Conducting competitor analysis. For businesses wanting to stay ahead of the competition, Notion's AI can conduct in-depth competitor analysis. You can have the AI research top competitors in your industry, analyze their pricing models, core messaging, and market trends, and compile everything into a detailed report. This kind of analysis is crucial for strategic planning and can provide insights that might otherwise take weeks to gather manually. Organizing system knowledge. Keeping track of business knowledge and documentation is essential, and Notion 3.0 excels at this. By using AI to organize various pages into an inline database, you can maintain a well-structured repository of information. This is particularly useful for businesses with extensive documentation needs, such as standard operating procedures, writing guidelines, or training materials. The AI can even suggest improvements or reorganizations to make the information more accessible. Onboarding guides. Onboarding new employees can be a daunting task, but Notion's AI can create comprehensive onboarding guides tailored to individual roles. For instance, if you're hiring a new executive assistant, the AI can compile a guide that includes a checklist of tools, people to meet, and important company pages. This not only speeds up the onboarding process, but ensures that new hires have all the information they need from day one. Creating a roadmap from meeting notes. Another exciting use case is transforming weekly team meeting notes into a roadmap database. The AI can group similar ideas, prioritize by importance, and create a structured roadmap that guides your team's efforts. This feature is perfect for teams aiming to maintain alignment and keep track of ongoing projects and initiatives. Research and content creation. Notion 3.0 is also a boon for content creators and marketers. By instructing the AI to research specific topics, such as AI SEO trends, it can compile an outline and even draft a full script for a YouTube video. This all-in-one tool approach saves you from juggling multiple applications and ensures a consistent workflow. Weekly summaries and task management. At the end of each week, you can have the AI summarize your notes and tasks, highlight wins, identify blockers, and suggest tasks for the upcoming week. This weekly reflection helps you stay on top of your priorities and adjust your strategies as needed. Survey analysis for those conducting surveys. Notion's AI can analyze results and generate a project plan based on the insights gathered. This feature is particularly valuable for community managers and businesses looking to improve their offerings based on customer feedback. Critiquing and improving sales copy. Notion's AI can critique and suggest improvements for sales page copy. By analyzing conversion rates and suggesting strategic changes, it serves as a powerful tool for marketers aiming to optimize their content and boost sales. Analyzing research papers. Lastly, if you're dealing with academic or technical documents, Notion can analyze PDFs and extract key findings into a searchable table. This makes it easy to digest complex information and integrate it into your broader knowledge base. Key takeaways in summary. Notion 3.0's AI capabilities offer a wide range of applications that can drastically improve efficiency and productivity. Whether you're organizing tasks, conducting research, or managing content, Notion acts as a versatile tool that adapts to your needs. By automating routine tasks and providing insightful analysis, it allows you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. Now, let's delve into some practical examples and tips for getting the most out of Notion 3.0's AI agents, especially if you're new to this powerful tool. Practical examples and real-world use cases. One practical way to leverage Notion's AI is by using it for customer support documentation. Let's say you run an online store. You can task the AI with compiling frequent customer questions and answers from your support tickets into a helpful FAQ document. This not only saves time for your support team, but also improves the customer experience by making information readily available. Another real-world application is in the realm of personal development. Imagine setting up a daily journal that the AI helps organize by pulling in insights from your daily entries. It can track mood patterns, highlight recurring themes, or even suggest areas for improvement based on your reflections. This is a fantastic way to use AI for self-growth. Common mistakes and troubleshooting guidance. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. A frequent issue is over-relying on AI without cross-checking the output. While Notion's AI is advanced, it's crucial to remember that it's not infallible. Always review the AI-generated content, especially when dealing with sensitive or critical information. If you encounter issues with the AI not understanding your commands, try simplifying your instructions. Break down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. This can help the AI process your requests more accurately. Useful tips and beginner-friendly clarifications for beginners. Start small. Focus on one or two areas where AI can make a significant impact. For instance, if task management is your priority, begin by setting up automated to-do lists and gradually expand to other functionalities. A useful tip is to regularly update and refine the AI's custom instructions. As your needs evolve, make sure your AI stays aligned with your current workflow. This continuous tweaking can greatly enhance its effectiveness and ensure it remains a valuable asset. Finally, don't hesitate to explore community forums and resources. Many users share creative templates and workflows that can inspire new ways to use Notion's AI. Engaging with these communities not only broadens your understanding, but also provides support as you navigate this powerful tool. That's it for this tutorial on Notion 3.0 agents. Explain mind-blowing use cases with AI. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.